Here I've got Realme 5 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings. Here scroll down to the bottom of the list and select backup and reset. And here go to reset to factory settings, and all you have to do is to tap on clear all data and then enter your password if you have one. And if you really want to clear all data, if you would like to remove all the settings and also all information stored on your device's internal storage, just click on clear data. Then you have to confirm it again because this operation cannot be undone and you will lose all your information stored on this Realme. But if you want to do it, just click on clear data and wait until it's done. And that's it. As you can see now, you can set up your phone as a new one. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.